Have you been struggling with low view? Your title and your content might be good, but if you don't have a good thumbnail, definitely your view and your click-through rate will be low. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can create and optimize a thumbnail using just one software. So guys, without wasting of your time, let's dive into it. So when you come to this vidIQ site, they will show you this is the home tag. This is to optimize. You want to optimize your video. This is discovering. This where you come when you want to search for a trending topic that you want to make a video on. And then here is create. This is where our target is on this video today. And you see AI coach. You can ask AI anything about your channel. It will respond to you. And this is upgrade. You can decide that you want to upgrade to get the pro plan, of which I'm using the free plan now. So if I come down here, you see daily video ideas. Under daily video ideas, I have some 3 topics that they have listed for me here, that if I do a video, I will definitely get view. Yes, the first one here is 3 editing hacks you need to go viral. You see the view prediction here, it says very high. I mean, people are searching for this keyword on YouTube presently. So if you do a video on this, you will definitely get view. So we'll come to our target of today. If you come on create, you see here thumbnail. It said create eye-catchy thumbnail. So we'll just click on it. So it will bring us on this interface. The first thing they show here is add a video. You can add your video, and here you can also add a subject. You can add a person to the design, and then you see here add a reference. This one is for you to add something that can inspire the design. So I will come here. They said describe your thumbnail idea. My thumbnail idea will be this video title. I will just copy this title, how to pick your YouTube niche. So I'll come back here. I will just paste it here. So now after we have added this, what we need to do now is we'll just come here and add a subject, which is I will look for a picture in my desktop and add it for vidIQ to generate me what I want. So if I click on it, it will bring me here to my desktop for me to look for the picture I want to use. So I will click on desktop and then look for on my desktop. So this is the image I want to add. I'll add this one there. The next thing I will do now is I want to tell vidIQ how I want that design to be. You can see down here, my image is already here. So now this is my title, how to find and pick your YouTube niche. I will hit create and wait for the magic to happen. So guys, we have successfully created 3 thumbnails. I recommend this tool to every new YouTuber. If you are a new YouTuber and you are not using vidIQ, I wonder what you're doing on this platform. Guys, this tool is so amazing. It can ease your work as a content creator. If you really want to grow on YouTube fast, make use of this tool. So we can decide and download this, and then we use it for our AB, and then we use it for our test and compare thumbnail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop a tip like this, you will be the first to watch.